Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial on my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to move your playhead with your keyboard shortcut in Filmora 11. Okay, so this is a question from one of my subscribers. He wants to move frame by frame or second by second on the timeline. Okay, so let me show you some tips and tricks on how to move the playhead on the timeline in Filmora 11. Okay. Alright, so here I am inside Filmora 11, and for example, I have a video clip here or in my media library. All I need to do is to click this button to bring it to the timeline. Let's select Match to Media. Okay, and now you have a timeline here, and actually you can stretch out the timeline or zoom in the timeline by clicking this button here, and then you want to drag it to the left or to the right to zoom in or zoom out the timeline. So it is very easy, right? And if you put the playhead at the beginning, and then if you want to move one frame forward, you have a button right here. So this is moving one frame forward. Just click here and your playhead will move one frame forward. And if you look at the duration control here, you see, and this is the duration, and it is in hour, minute, second, and then frame. So this is the first frame. If you want to move one frame forward, you can click this button, okay, to move one frame forward, or you want to click this button to move one frame backward. That's easy, right? So that is the first option, to move frame by frame. And the second option is to use your arrow key. If you press the right arrow key, you will move one frame forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is how to move forward frame by frame. And if you want to move backward, you can use your left arrow key. Just click here. Okay, so the left arrow key is to move one frame backward. And now what if you want to move 1 second forward or 1 second backward? Now you need to press and hold your shift key on your keyboard, and then you want to press the right arrow key to move one frame 1 second forward, like this. You see? Okay, so this clip about 3 seconds, right? And if I want to move back, I can press and hold my shift key and then press the left arrow key. Very nice, right? And there's another tips. You have the marker right here. For example, I make some marker on my timeline, and if you want to move from this marker to the next marker, you can also press and hold your shift key, and now you need to press down key to move forward. Okay, 1 marker, 2 marker, 3 marker, 4 marker. And if you want to go to the previous marker, you can do the same. Press and hold your shift key, and now you need to press the up arrow key, okay, to go back with the marker. So that's easy, right? And actually Filmora has an option here on the preview window. If you want to click at the preview window, and then you want to select this option, go to, and then you can see all the keyboard shortcut right here, so that you can use for your editing. Alright, so that's simple, right? So that is how to move your playhead on the timeline with Filmora 11. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.